In the vast and varied tapestry of life on our planet, there exists a strategy for survival that is as subtle as it is extraordinary: the art of invisibility. We often think of camouflage as a pattern of colors and shapes that blend into a background, like a tiger's stripes in the long grass. But what if the ultimate disguise was not to mimic one's surroundings, but to simply disappear? High in the canopy of Central and South American cloud forests, clinging to the underside of a broad damp leaf, we find our first marvel. This is the glass frog. Its underside, its belly, is utterly, astonishingly transparent. Through this living window, the frog's inner world is put on display, and most captivating of all, its tiny ruby-red heart, beating a steady, vital rhythm. When the frog presses itself against a leaf, its outlines become blurred, its form dissolving into the dappled light and shadow, making it incredibly difficult for snakes and birds to spot from below. We now travel from the warm, humid rainforests to the frigid, unforgiving waters of the polar oceans. Here, in the silent, icy depths, drifts a creature of almost supernatural beauty. It is known as the sea angel. But this angel has a darker side. From its head, 6 sharp, hooked tentacles erupt, ensnaring the shelled pteropod and extracting its body with ruthless efficiency. Our journey now takes us to the warm, sun-dappled forests of Central America, in search of the glass-winged butterfly. The tissue between the veins of its wings is almost perfectly clear, lacking the microscopic scales that give other butterflies their color. In flight, the wings flicker, catching the light for a moment before disappearing again, making it incredibly difficult for predators to track. We descend now into the perpetual twilight of the deep ocean, between 600 and 800 meters down. Here we find the barrel-eye fish. The entire top of its head is a transparent, fluid-filled dome, and inside 2 large, green, tubular eyes point directly upwards. As the barrel-eye fish maneuvers to feed, it rotates its remarkable eyes forward, looking through its own transparent face to precisely aim its mouth. In the sunlit upper layers of the world's oceans, great swarms of salps drift with the currents, almost entirely unnoticed. These gelatinous barrel-shaped tunicates propel themselves by pumping water through hollow bodies, filtering microscopic phytoplankton. A solitary salp reproduces asexually, budding off a long chain of dozens of identical individuals. On the vibrant coral reefs, the juvenile surgeonfish has adopted a clever strategy for its vulnerable early life. While adult fish are brightly colored, their young are almost completely transparent, like tiny slivers of glass darting amongst the coral branches. The transparent body breaks up its outline, dissolving into the shimmering water and intricate coral patterns. On sandy bottoms worldwide lives the aptly named ghost shrimp. Its entire body is almost perfectly clear, a phantom of the substrate. These tireless scavengers sift through sediment, their tiny transparent limbs working constantly as nature's cleanup crew. From the highest rainforest leaves to the deepest ocean trenches, these animals have surrendered their opacity to become one with their surroundings. They are nature's living windows, offering us a rare glimpse into the inner workings of life itself. Which of these incredible creatures amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal stories.